Ever tried looking for crucial video footage on your security system, only to find the timestamp is completely wrong, making it almost impossible to locate the event? Having the correct date and time on your XMeye device is vital for accurate recording and quick playback searches. Today, we are going to show you step-by-step how to adjust the date and time on your XMeye security system, ensuring your footage is always organized and easy to find when you need it most. While we are using a specific system for this demonstration, these exact steps apply to DVRs, XVRs, NVRs, and general security cameras running the XMeye software. We have already covered many XMeye tutorials on this channel, and we will leave all those helpful guides linked in the description and pinned comment below so you can dive even deeper. To start adjusting your date and time, we need to access the main system menu. Right-click anywhere on the main live view screen to bring up the context menu and select Main Menu. If your system prompts you for a password, simply left-click inside the password field to open the virtual keyboard. Use the virtual keys to enter your security password. Once you are done typing, close the virtual keyboard and click the OK button. This brings us into the device main menu. From here, click on System to open the configuration area, and then click on General. On the General Settings screen, the first thing we want to check is the time zone. Click on Time Zone to select the correct setting matching your local area. Next, you can adjust the date format to your preference if needed. Now, let us fix the actual date and time if they are inaccurate. Click directly on the day digit and use the virtual keyboard to enter the current day. Repeat this exact process for the month, the year, and the current hour and minute. Once every field is correctly set, click on the OK button at the bottom to save your changes. With that, your device clock is now perfectly synchronized, meaning every future recording will carry an accurate timestamp for seamless footage retrieval. As we mentioned earlier, we have already produced a full library of XMeye guides to help you master your security setup. Check out the links in the description and the pinned comment to explore those videos. We are constantly uploading new troubleshooting tips and system tutorials, so if you want to stay up to date, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so YouTube alerts you every time we post. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.